Welcome back to Spy Garage.
As the king of performance and luxury car showcase, the 2026 Pagani RV Super Premium concept is a bold and unprecedented entry into the ultra-exclusive realm of high-performance mobile lifestyle. This fictitious car would be more than just a recreational vehicle. It would be a stunning combination of Pagani's hypercar design philosophy, a finely designed luxury setting, and a cutting-edge mobile platform for displaying a remarkable vehicle. It is an unwavering goal for the most affluent customers. Outside, a masterwork of aerodynamics. Horacio Pagani's design philosophy would be translated into a much larger form on the outside of the 2026 Pagani RV, which would be a work of art. The body would be a flowing, aerodynamically tuned marvel made of exotic materials rather than a conventional boxy framework. Anticipate the widespread use of premium aluminum and lightweight alloys along with exposed carbon fiber, possibly in Pagani's trademark weave. With active aerodynamic components like movable spoilers or vents to improve stability at speed, the shape would be shaped to cut through the air. The lighting would have a custom LED signature, and iconic Pagani characteristics like the quad exhaust system may be cleverly incorporated. The car would have a low, broad stance that would allude to its performance DNA. The integrated car showcase. A smooth, glass-enclosed area that may have a retractable cover is the most distinctive external element. It features a single, highly valued Pagani hypercar on full display. Interior. A floating haven of customized elegance. The Pagani RV's interior would be a multisensory experience, demonstrating the company's unwavering commitment to fine craftsmanship. Every aspect would be carefully planned and carried out in this super premium setting. The materials would be unmatched. Custom solid wood veneers with elaborate inlays, hand-stitched leather from the best suppliers, and polished metal parts that are milled from a single block of titanium or aluminum. Although the plan would be specially designed to meet the owner's needs, a typical arrangement might be as follows. A grand living area, a central lounge including luxurious, custom-made seats, a cutting-edge sound system, and a large-screen entertainment system that is subtly integrated. The car showcase. The focal point of the interior, this glass enclosure with climate control would serve as a dramatic focal point for the entire RV in addition to showcasing the hypercar. A gourmet kitchen is small but completely furnished with high-end, professional-grade appliances and a simple layout. A master suite. A private sanctuary with a king-sized bed, extensive storage, and a spa-like en-suite bathroom with custom-tiled shower and solid stone basin. The king of the road's performance. With the Pagani RV, the performance element would be exceptional. The underlying platform would be a specially designed carbon fiber monocoque chassis, which is extremely lightweight and rigid for its size even though it isn't a racing car. The powertrain would be a bespoke, high-output engine, likely a variation of a Mercedes-AMG V12, tuned for immense torque and smooth, effortless cruising. Advanced suspension systems, possibly inspired by Formula One technology, would ensure an impossibly smooth, magic carpet ride, regardless of the road surface. The vehicle would have a driver-centric cockpit with a digital display inspired by Pagani's hypercars, providing real-time data and a sense of connection to the machine. In essence, the 2026 Pagani RV Super Premium is a conceptual masterpiece for the hyper-wealthy. It is a one-of-one creation that merges the heart of a performance legend with the ultimate in mobile luxury, offering a journey that is as much about the destination as it is about the breathtaking elegance of the ride itself.